Greg.
Mom, what's going on?
Not much. What's going on, honey?
Nothing. We had a school assembly today.
Yeah.
Yep, and you're on speakerphone, so mind your P's and Q's.
Okay. Yep.
Is Dad around?
Yeah. He's right here.
Okay. We had assembly today, and I guess it was all about me. I won in a Milken Educator Award, a national award, and received $25,000.
Who gets $25,000?
I guess I do, Mom. Maybe you. Thanks for being my roommate.
Are you pulling my leg?
No, Mom, there's a bunch of cameras in front of me right now. There's a bunch of people around. I am sweating profusely.
Can you FaceTime me?
For sure. Show her the camera.
Yeah.
Wonderful son.
Thank you.
Do we,
Oh my God.
do we keep going? Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Pops. Yeah.
Great.
So-
For some reason, I didn't believe you.
I don't know if I believe it either, but yeah, we're here.
Okay. All right. So, am I going to be able to watch this?
Yeah.
All over the news, all the stations.
All the stations? Today?
Today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now, it's already up.
Right now it's already.
You're online already.
Oh, we're online. Yeah. So,
Congratulations.
yeah.
I think you deserved it, but I don't know much. Congratulations, honey. We're proud of you.
Yeah, I love you guys.
Love you too, baby.
All right. Bye.
Congratulations.
Yay!
Yeah. Whew. Thank you all.